Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region. Welcome back to my channel. So today, it was a busy day for me. I'm not lying. So I went to an arts festival because one of my students won a poster contest for it. Woo, 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 woo. Love my county and love the art programs here. Then after that, we came home, ate lunch, did our grocery shopping, put it away, and then we did a bike ride with the dogs. And my mom's coming over for dinner again because she comes twice a week. And so I only have a short time to do a video with you today. So what I'm going to be doing is a video planting the Caryopteris that I pre-ordered and got before the winter season started. And they were itsy bitsy little teeny things. But I kept them in the garage because I was worried since they were such itsy bitsy babies. And sometimes we do dip below 32 here in Florida. Yes, I know that is hard to believe, but I'm on the Panhandle area, so we're not quite as tropical as those Orlando, Miami people maybe, or Tampa. So I just wanted to protect them. And so they have flourished since I have brought them outside for the springtime. So let me show them to you real quick. So here it is. It is the dark night, which can get up to 3 to 4 feet, but I'm going to keep it pruned back somewhat, I think, because I have a group of 3 of them, so they're going to make a big mound of flowers. And they come from, I believe, East Asia, and they can grow, I think, from zones 5 to 9. I'm a 9B, so hopefully they'll be good. Actually, they're going to get some afternoon shade because right now I'm in the shade of my crepe myrtle that is leafing out finally. So everything's going to be getting nice afternoon shade in this area, which of course makes me a little nervous about my roses. You know how it is, lots of sun. But sun is a premium in my yard right now because I have a Caryopteris going on in my yard. So we're going to give these babies a plant, and who knows, maybe because they're going to get some shade, that it's going to be more like a 9A. I don't know. We'll see. And then we'll call it quits for today because, again, I am pushing the clock to get these babies planted in. But they're going to give a beautiful blush of blue flowers, I think. You know, I was looking in this pot, and look, I did not plant this. And I don't know if you guys can tell me what this is, if it's a weed or not, but it has 3 little leaves for each of its little lobes here. And yeah, I don't know what that is. And it doesn't look like any of the weeds that grow in my yard normally. Hey, but you know, we got to try, right? And talking about weeds, let me give you a quick update about those wand flowers that I picked. Hi, Miss Claire. How are you? How are you, sweetie? Hi. Hi there. Hi there, baby. Hi there. Aw, such a sweetheart. Love you, Miss Claire. All right, so I am fairly certain all of these turned out to be wand flowers. 1 or 2 of them were in fact weeds, but I took care of those. And I found a really big one. Makes me so nervous. I had to dig it up and I put it in this bigger pot. So we're going to kind of wait and see if it's going to recover from that transplanting, because they don't like to be transplanted at all. So you got to get them when they're little. This was the area where I actually dug up all those wand flowers because they were planted originally. A few of them were in here, and they just grew so tall that they covered up the walkway, made it hard to walk. And I love wand flowers, but they're so light and airy and move so beautifully, but the grass loves to grow up around and through them, and it makes it extremely difficult for me to get that grass out. So I think for that reason, digging them out of that particular area, and then maybe I'll do I'll stick them inside this garden over here. I'm gonna wait and see until that one, see if it's gonna recover or not. But like I said, I just dug that one out this morning. So I'm hoping with a little bit of time, that one's going to make a full recovery. I'm going to wait a couple of days. That'll be one of the ones I'll probably be planting in the next couple of days though, trying to get those in the ground in their forever home. All right, so here's where I'm going to be placing them. I'm going to do one there, there, and there, and it's going to make a nice little triangle here. And especially when some of my Asiatic lilies are probably done flowering, hopefully they'll be getting into the mood to start flowering for us. And this is my driveway over here. And normally during the day, it does get a good bit of sun. So I think they're going to be great there. I think those are going to be amazing in here. There, there, and there. Gave them plenty of room to grow, I think. And I just love that blue color. It'll probably complement this salvia over here quite nicely. All right, I have maybe 15 minutes before my mom's supposed to be here. But we got that job done. That is awesome. It's nice to have those babies out of their pots and into a forever home. Before I leave though, I just wanted to show y'all one other thing. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. Can you all see? There, everywhere. I have mulberries on my mulberry tree. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I can't wait. I have never tasted a mulberry before, so I am so looking forward to that. All right, so I hope you're able to go out into your world today and make something beautiful. And until the next one, bye y'all.